Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our wellness journey. Today, we're diving into flexibility flow, a mindful and powerful way to stretch, strengthen, and release tension from your body. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this practice will help improve your posture, mobility, and overall well-being. Let's begin. Flexibility flow is a smooth, guided sequence of stretching movements designed to increase range of motion, reduce muscle stiffness, and improve circulation. It combines deep breathing with slow, intentional movement, just like yoga, but focuses more on loosening up tight muscles and joints. You don't need to be flexible to start. This practice helps develop flexibility over time in a safe and gentle way. Here are some amazing benefits of regular flexibility flow. Improved posture by opening the chest, hips, and shoulders, reduced back and neck pain from better spine alignment, increased blood flow, promoting faster muscle recovery, less stress and anxiety. Deep breathing calms your nervous system. Better sleep. When your body is relaxed, your sleep improves. Enhanced performance. Ideal for athletes, dancers, or daily workers. Flexibility flow is for everyone. If you sit long hours at a desk, drive for work, or feel stiffness in the morning, this is for you. Seniors, teens, office workers, fitness lovers, all can benefit. You can do it at home, in the gym, or even outdoors. No fancy equipment needed, just your body, a mat, and a little time. You can practice flexibility flow any time of day, morning to energize, evening to relax. Just 10 to 20 minutes a day is enough to feel real changes. Remember, consistency matters more than intensity. Start slow, listen to your body, and breathe deeply with each movement. Here's a basic sequence to try at home. Neck rolls, gently release tension. Shoulder stretches, open the upper body. Cat-cow stretch, warm up the spine. Forward fold, stretch the hamstrings. Lunges, open the hips. Seated twist, detox the spine. Child's pose, full body relaxation. You can hold each pose for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat the flow twice. Always breathe slowly and deeply. Flexibility flow is not just a workout, it's a self-care ritual. By giving your body the attention it deserves, you're also healing your mind and spirit. So take time every day, even just a few minutes, and feel the difference it makes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wellness tips and flows. Stay strong, stay flexible, and see you in the next video.